All right, guys, thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel, Manuel Mancha. I appreciate you guys coming by. We're going to do a quick short video just on how to upload a video into YouTube from iMovie. It's pretty easy, pretty quick and simple. Let me see here. Why isn't this going? Oh, there we go. Sorry, guys, was having a little technical difficulty, but let me go ahead and go into iMovie. So you have a couple ways you can go into it. The most simplest way, which is the one I basically go through, is a Finder. It's going to be on the left corner of your iMac. Let me see if I can get that to show on here because it's a little bit small. So let me see if I can show that up here. Maybe kind of bring it down so you guys can see it. So we're gonna, there we go. Let me go ahead and do that for you. There we go. Got it up and going. So what you're going to want to do is click on this button, this Finder button. And then all you're going to do is go into Applications. And then the iMovie should be right there. So it should be right there in your application. So you're going to go ahead and double click on that. And it'll bring up your iMovie. And I had put something together already, so I'm going to delete this just so I can show you real quickly. So if you already have some preloaded files already in there, I had already downloaded a couple videos and a couple clips already in here. So when I go to my iMovie library, you'll see them right here. So if you've already downloaded, you should already see that in your iMovie. If you don't have anything downloaded, then once you do download it, you'll be able to just kind of grab these videos. I'll use this one real quick. So basically, this is the clip I'm going to use. It's just a clip of me and my daughter's boyfriend running in Venice. It was a nice day out there. So you have a couple options if you're wanting to do some edits. I'm not going to go over any edits right now, but if you wanted to do any edits, some people, what they like to do is they like to open the clip a little bit more, so they're able to do a little bit more finer cuts on the video. You can do that. This little sliding button right here, what you're going to do is you're just going to grab that and you could slide it open. And depending on how fine you want to do your cuts on your video, you can open it up all the way. And as you can see, obviously, you're going to be going a long ways before you get to the end of the clip, just because we've extended it so far. So if you like to do that, if you want to do some cuts like that, again, it's only a 6-minute video, but you can always make it longer if you want to cut it down, so that way it, you have a little bit better piece as far as like getting to the end of the video and getting to the beginning. You could do it that way. It's really up to you guys. Again, I'm not trying to show you how to make cuts or anything right now. I'm just wanting to show you how you can upload your video. Now, the next step we're going to do is I like to just kind of put an intro. So this is my little intro video here, and I like to just kind of put it right here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Again, I'll go over more details of how to use iMovie and how to cut your videos and different stuff like that. But right now, I just want to show you how to upload the video. So after you've put in your introduction, your middle clip, and your outro for your video, and like I said, if you're doing any cuts or anything like that, you can also include that as far as what you're doing. But once I have the video all set, I have my intro, I have my outro, I have my clip in there, what I'm going to do is I'm all set. I'm going to come up here to this button in the corner, and let me go ahead, and because the screen is cutting that off, I'm going to go ahead and see if we can size this down so you can see that. So give me 1 second so we can see that. Here we go. So as you can see up in that top right corner, again, I don't think you could see it on your end. Let me see here. Yeah, I think it's getting cut off. So let me go ahead and fix that for you, so that way you can see the whole button there. Okay, there we go. So you should be able to see it now. It's up in the top right corner. And what it is it's an upload button. And I'm pointing to it right over here in this corner button area. And what you're going to do, it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is click on that upload button. Again, you're in iMovie. And you're going to have 4 different options here. You can email, save the current frame, export file, or export it to YouTube and Facebook. Now, when you click on that button, it's not going to directly import it right into YouTube. You're going to have to take one more step, but I'm going to show you that, okay? But to start off with, all you're going to do is click on that button right there, and it'll have the movie right here from beginning to end. You can kind of scroll through it with your mouse. All you're going to do is come over here and put a description here. If you want to say iMac, or I'm sorry, running in Venice, you can do that. It's really up to you what description you want to use. Now, if you are wanting to get ranked and you're wanting to make sure you're using some keywords, you can always put that in right there. And then also your tags, you can use keyword tags that will help you also with getting ranked. So, and then down here, your resolution, you can pick your resolution. The higher resolution you go, it will take longer. So like, I'm just going to keep it at 540. That's 960 by 540. Again, you could do a higher template as far as the quality, like HD quality, and as far as the video is. Just remember, it's going to take longer to upload. Okay, once I have that all set up, I'm going to go ahead and come over here and click on next, and it's going to ask me to save the file and go ahead and name the file. So again, I'll name the file iMac, or I'm sorry, running in Venice. And I know I called it iMac. I apologize. I have iMac in my head for some reason. You can choose where you want this downloaded to. You can choose the main hard drive, the download area. I usually just keep it at the download area because I can move it around from there. And I go ahead and click on save. And right now the movie is being uploaded. Now, as you can see in this corner here, the movie is being uploaded. So it might take some time, again, depending on the quality of the video that you put together. So once you are done with that and that is uploading, you're going to go ahead and go over here again to Finder. Click on Finder. And again, that Finder's in the corner area. I'm trying to see if I can make this so that way you can see the full screen. For some reason, my computer's giving me a little technical. Let me see here if I could place that in the middle here for you guys to see. Here we go. Let me switch that up so you can see that again. All right, there you go. So the button you're going to click on is this Finder button. Once you have that pressed, you're going to go up here and we're going to look for, let's see here, the download, which will be right over here. You're going to go ahead and click on that download, and you'll see the video being uploaded. It's called Running in Venice. Once the video is fully uploaded, you'll see it configure like this. So while it's uploading, you're going to see just move, and you're going to see the QuickTime button, like sort of the symbol right there. That's just letting you know it's still downloading or it's still uploading. So you're going to have to give it a little time before it uploads. Now, it doesn't mean we can't go into the next step, but just FYI, until that fully uploads, you'll want to wait till that's fully uploaded, so then you could put it into your YouTube channel. Now, the next step is pretty easy. You're going to go over here to your browser. I use Chrome, so I'm going to pull up Chrome. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your YouTube channel. So mine, I just can put in YouTube and it's going to pull it right up. And as you can see here, this is my YouTube channel. Now, these videos aren't mine, but this is my area. Now, you can do a couple things here. If you want to go quickly to, let's make sure that comes out. If you want to go quickly to an upload, you can click the button right here. As you can see, it has an icon. The icon looks like a video camera with a plus. That's where you're going to click on. Make sure you're in your YouTube channel. Some people have multiple YouTube channels. So if you're not in your YouTube channel, you're going to want to click here just to make sure it's the right channel for you. You can even go to your channel, and that'll bring you up to your YouTube channel. But once you know you're in there, all you're going to do is click on this button right here, the create button, and then it's going to give you an option to go live or upload. You're going to want to go upload, and just give it a minute, because all right. And then the next step you're going to do is pretty simple. All you're going to do, again, this is a drag and drop video, so you can click on the Finder, pull it up, and drag it in there. Or the other easy step is you're just going to click in this little area, the circle area, where it looks like, again, it's an upload button. and you could click select file too. And all you're going to do is go to the download area where the video was, and you're going to scroll down, and I believe it was called Running in Venice right here. And just because it's taken a while for the uploads and everything like that, I don't want to click on it, but once you click on that file, it's going to upload it into your YouTube channel. So just kind of give you kind of some simple steps there. Again, it's not too hard, pretty simple. Once you are done editing in your iMovie, all you're going to do is upload that into your hard drive, into your download box. Once you have it in your download box, you're going to then upload that into your YouTube channel. So this is some quick, easy steps on how from iMovie you can upload your video to YouTube. Now, I'll be sharing more videos and tips on how to use iMovie. I'll also share some information on when you're uploading the video to YouTube, how you can do that. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave us a comment, like, and share. If you have any questions, please let me know. As I'm going through this, I'm just kind of going through the process of learning and sharing what I'm learning as I go through this process of building up my business. So all these little things that I run into, I like to share them out because I think they can be helpful to other people. And I think sometimes we run into these problems, and you know, half the time people don't share that information, and I think it's kind of a disservice if you're not sharing some things you learn out there. So I'm trying my best as I go through building my online business and building my company, that I share that information with you through this YouTube channel. So again, thank you guys so much for coming to my YouTube channel. You guys have a wonderful day. Definitely like, subscribe, and then also leave a comment if you like. Okay, take care. Bye bye.